So this grocery store didn't have cacao nibs, so I'm off to the next grocery store to get them. Let's go. It is time for a matcha latte and for some relaxation. I feel like I have a migraine. There's my favorite mug in the entire world and my favorite character. Let's boil some water, exactly 80 degrees. Still haven't finished my matcha latte. I just laid down for a bit. And now I'm gonna have some of these Australian biscuits. I actually really like these. I tried them before. They taste like oats and maple syrup. They really remind me of homemade cookies. It's so nice. I don't know why I constantly feel tired and exhausted. I come home and I need to lay down and I need to drink a matcha, otherwise I just don't function. I don't know why, I'm just, I should be less exhausted when I work less, but it's not the case. I come home and I'm like, ugh. And somebody's gonna come to pick up the table on Saturday. And since I have to work the whole day tomorrow, I won't have time to take out all the things that are in there, all the utensils, so I'm gonna do it now. I guess I have to say goodbye to some of the things. I'm very sad, not gonna lie. I gotta say, I've become such a hoarder. Now I want to be a bit more minimalistic, and I also get really attached to things like, oh my god, why did I keep this? This is garbage. But I get very attached to things, especially like my furniture or, oh my god, this garlic press. I used it like once. I try not to be a hoarder anymore, especially when I go to Australia, because I don't know what will happen and when I will go back, so I might as well not buy too much stuff. I'll keep this and I will get rid of this. It actually looks pretty cool. I like it. Not bad. Yeah, I think we're done. There's still this left. Okay, keep for now. More cutting boards that I never use. I'll keep this, okay? Yeah, it created a bigger mess than before, but at least the table is finally set. Heated up some rice, and this is the dish, the leftover from yesterday. It's just Napa cabbage fried up with some chili flakes, soy sauce, and it completely destroyed my stomach. Maybe it will give me another stomach ache tomorrow, so I don't have to go to work. I could also say, maybe it will give me another explosive diarrhea tomorrow morning. I'm kidding. I didn't have diarrhea. What are you talking about? This is one of my favorite dishes of all time. I need to be careful though, because they're whole Szechuan peppers, and I don't know if you can eat them. Good morning, guys. The woman is gonna pick it up in a few hours, and maybe I'll go to the gym before or maybe after. It depends on how fast I am. But I'm gonna make an acai bowl now, and I'm already soaking up the berries in a vinegar solution. It's just vinegar and water because strawberries are so gross. They always have so much gunk on them. This is how I always dry my dishes. So I wait till the sun comes out. It usually goes this way all around the kitchen. And then I just place them wherever the sun is. And right now it's here. So this is how I let them dry and it works perfectly. But right now I need that space to cut up the banana. So I'll just move it back. Just move it back like this. Let's cut up the banana. It has the perfect ripeness, if that's a word. It's perfectly ripe, is what I'm trying to say. It looks so, and it's so big. It has such a good size. Why does it sound so wrong? No, it has a good size for a banana, is what I'm saying. See? Okay, it has some spots, but that's okay. But that's the perfect banana size. I love this banana size. No, I knew this was gonna happen. Yeah. Okay, I probably blended it up for 15 minutes. It took so long. It's so creamy and nice. This is nice. Also, you might think that cacao nibs are unhealthy, but actually they're really healthy. They contain a lot of fiber, a lot of protein, and zero sugar. You can't compare it to like artificial chocolate that is blended in with milk and sugar. If they're in their natural form, they're actually really healthy. And they make you poop good. So I'm gonna put on my gym outfit and then I'll walk to the gym. It will take like 20 minutes, but it's gonna be some type of warm-up cardio. That's gonna be the plan. Let me take this off again. I'm gonna get changed now. It's actually pretty warm today, so I'll wear shorts instead of long pants. These are the shorts I'm gonna wear. The gym's empty. I hope it's not packed. Need to clean up the dishes. These are the clean ones actually. I just need to put them away. These are the dirty ones. I know it's a mess. I bumped into the peanut tin and now There are peanuts all over the counter.
Oxygen declined, it diminished in size, and as it rose...
Welcome back. Guys, I feel so guilty. It is 9:30 and I haven't done a single productive thing today. I feel so guilty. I wanted to film, I wanted to go to the gym, I wanted to do this and that and this and that, but I didn't do anything. So I decided to still film today, even though it's pretty late. I should probably go to sleep soon, but since I haven't eaten much today anyway, I thought it makes sense to just film what I'm gonna cook now. I'm honestly a bit disappointed. Okay, let's make some dinner now. Let's get the rice cooker my ex gave me. These are 2 portions, I just prepared them. You'll see in a minute what I'm gonna cook. Oh, that's so dirty. Well, I'll move out anyway. So we have lotus roots. I'm just gonna fry them up with some salt. So if you want them crispy, you should use a bit more oil, or you can also deep fry them, but I think it's not necessary.